Hello again, first graders. It's Mrs. Conley again. I am doing some lessons from my home, and we are going to go into our next lesson following yesterday's lesson about the most magnificent thing. I'm really anxious to look back and see what ideas you came up with for what you think is magnificent. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here we go. Lesson 3. Our learning target song. Learn, think, grow your mind, do your best each day. Learning targets tell you how. Let's begin. Hooray. Okay, learning targets today. We've got a lot of stuff to cover. First one, I can listen and respond to my classmates' ideas. And you'll be doing this when we're actually in class. I can look closely at the illustrations and text to describe how the girl begins to make her magnificent thing. Ooh, that's a big one. I can look closely at the illustrations. What are illustrations? They are the pictures, yep. And what is the text? It's not the text from my phone, friends. Nope, it is the words in the book. We're going to describe or tell or show how the girl begins to make her magnificent thing. And then I can explain what I did to complete a challenge. So we might have to do some of this in the classroom when you guys come back. Okay, like I mentioned last time, we're going to be doing some close reading. Okay, close readers do these things. They look closely at the pictures and we reread important parts of the text. So today we're just going to read a few different pages and really examine that part of the book. Okay, so remember the question from yesterday, how was the girl able to make a magnificent thing? Okay, so I'm just going to read the first few pages. Okay. This is a regular girl and her best friend in the whole wide world. They do all kinds of things together. They race, they eat, they explore, they relax. She makes things, he unmakes things. One day, the girl has a wonderful idea. She is going to make the most magnificent thing. She knows just how it will look. She knows just how it will work. All she has to do is make it, and she makes things all the time. Easy peasy. First, she hires an assistant. Next, they gather their supplies, they set up somewhere out of the way, and get to work. Okay, so let's take a look at what she did. What the girl does, well, she decides to make something, right? That is called initiative, taking initiative. That's a big word. Let's break that one down. Initiative. 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 All right, initiative. I'm going to just go for it, right? Think about in the classroom. If it's time to clean up the classroom and I'm waiting for someone to help clean up the classroom and I have one kiddo that just decides to jump up and start doing it, that is called taking initiative. Or if we're out on the playground and it's time to line up and I'm waiting for people to get our ball bag put back together and I'm waiting and then someone comes right over and just jumps right in to start doing it, that's taking initiative. Or think about a line leader. When the line leader has a big job, they have to show the rest of the line how we walk through the building, right? You have to make sure your body is still, your hands are down, your eyes are forward, your voices are off. So that line leader has to take initiative to get through the building. And then the girl, she also wants to work together with someone. And that is called collaboration. Ooh, another big word. Collaboration. 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 Collaboration, it's working together. Okay, we do that a lot at school. A lot of times we get to work with groups or partners. It looks a little different right now, but collaborating is making sure that we work together and we share ideas. Oh, we've got something in the envelope. Here we go. Oh, this is a fun one. This is the jump rope challenge. So your challenge today is to make shapes with your classmates or with your brothers and sisters or moms or dads, or even if you want to just do it with your dog or just by yourself, using jump ropes. If you don't have a jump rope, friends, at home, we can do it tomorrow when you come back to school or the next time you're back at school, right? We have jump ropes in our ball bags. The tricky part is that each person must be holding the rope at all times. So you are going to need somebody with you probably. And then we need a jump rope. I bet you could actually find a way to figure out how to do this at home. How can you make different shapes using the jump rope? Let's see how we do. And I'm thinking that however you decide to do your challenge, if you're able to maybe take a picture, you can put that on Seesaw, just like I showed you yesterday. All right, remember our guiding question today. How do habits of character help us do work? Well, I can take initiative, right? I can say, just go for it and start doing something, and I can work together. And those are all parts of our habits of character, right? Collaboration would be part of being a contributing citizen or showing respect. Initiative, maybe being a resilient explorer or showing integrity. Okay, so if you're able to get outside and find a jump rope and see how many shapes you can make. And then, like I said, when we come back to school, we will try that during the daytime too, maybe outside at recess if it's nice, or we can try it in the classroom. All right. Remember, initiative, collaboration. Talk to someone at your house today. What do you think? What do you and your parents or your brothers or your sisters or your friends, what do you think that those are? All right. Okay, first graders, have a fabulous rest of the day. Work hard, not too hard, so you can get outside and play.